Business can achieve more gains through joint venture as they share their resources, technical expertise, and they can achieve growth in their business also by using innovative ideas. So, in this class, you are going to study what all the major benefits which can be achieved through joint venture. The major benefits of joint venture are increased resources and capacity, access to new market and distribution networks, access to technology, innovation, low cost of production, established brand name. These are the benefits of joint venture which we are discussing right now. Let me see what is increased resources and capacity. The first benefit is increased resources and capacity. As because of joint venture, they can increase their resources. Not only financially, they can increase the human resources also. By that way, they can have a growth and expansion in their joint venture company quickly and efficiently. And this will be able to face market challenges and to enter into a new opportunities. Second advantage is access to new market and distribution networks. By entering into joint venture, a new company will be easily to access, will gain more to access into a new market. For example, a foreign company having a joint venture with India, they will gain more in the vast Indian market. Their products can easily reach to the home market, which will not be possible if they are not having the joint venture. Means in order to have their own retail outlet, it will be more expensive. So they gain more through this joint venture. Next one is access to technology. Technology is a major factor for a business to enter into a joint venture. So advanced technology leads to give a superior quality products in the market. It saves time, energy, investment, and also it can save the cost because of technology which is already existing with them. So this adds efficiency and also effectiveness to the product. Thereby they can reduce the cost too. The fourth point is innovation. So, in order to capture the market, the joint venture should have a new and innovative products to sell in the market. By that way, they can gain more in the market. So, here, joint venture allows to come up with their own creative and innovative ideas, especially from foreign partners. They will come up with the innovative products, new products with their new ideas. So, this acts as an advantage of joint venture. Next benefit is low cost of production, where if the foreign country have a joint venture with India, they will get more benefits as because of many reasons. Here they will spend only less cost in the cost of production compared to their home country. There are many reasons for this, like here they will get the raw materials at a cheap rate and also with the technically qualified workforce like management professionals, lawyers, chartered accountant, engineers, scientists. So these international partner will gain more as they get the product in a required quality by spending very less cost in it. So this acts as a benefit of joint venture. The last benefit is established brand name. When two business means when two entities enter into a joint venture, one entity will be benefited from the entity of other, from the goodwill of another company. Means if the company is already having a goodwill, the another company will be gained with it because they can easily sell their product with this goodwill which is already earned by the company. So if the joint venture is in India and if the with the Indian company, so Indian company don't want to spend the money in order to establish or to develop the brand name for the product through advertisement cost or through by issuing a brand name to it. They don't want to spend more money for it because they are already having a ready made market which is already gained by the another company through their goodwill. So this also acts as a benefit of joint venture. So till this time you have studied what all the benefits of joint venture. By next class we will study about public private partnership, that is PPP. Okay, thank you children. God bless you all.